Listen to the language of our young people.
All of us have gifts. Raise your hand if you have a gift.
Our program is directed toward the man in the street.
For me, this means so much to come back to the community and to just pour in and sow seeds.
We have to start going out there and getting information from the source.
I thought the class was very informational. I had a good time. I like to see a lot of my people out here, and I'm really looking forward to going ahead and joining this class tomorrow.
Amazing event, really epic, life-changing.
Class was amazing.
It was simply amazing. Can't wait for tomorrow.
When you figure out how to create better ROIs for yourself and for other people than where the money is currently at, you will always get it back.
He actually broke it down to a language that we can understand, and that's what's most important to help us progress and move forward.
I want to thank Jay too for coming out and giving the game for free. He in charge of quarter. Everybody came out. It was a big crowd. I enjoyed myself, bro.
We're not intentionally looking at our next generation, looking at our children, looking at our families, saying, "Damn, that's my heirs right there." We don't see our children as our heirs.
As we traveled this country, myself, my team, my brother King Jay, my sister Queen Ernestine, we're finding out that a lot of us in this community, we've been locked out to access to information. How many of you agree with that?
You're supposed to use this gift and magnify it, right? All of us have gifts.
So you can build up assets for your heirs while being responsible and minimizing your liability and debt, which is wealth.
All credit can be rebuilt, restored, and repaired, okay?
I got all my questions answered today. It's time to live good. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm here.
Me and my mom was at the corner class last night. When you line it up and you execute based off that informed, educated, and strategic game plan, then you'll be able to set your family and your heirs and your community up to be, to get the bag, basically.
Thank you guys for showing up for yourselves, showing up for us, for supporting the movement.
Invest in yourself, you know what I'm saying?